In 1886, Carl Benz introduced the world's first practical automobile, forever changing the future of transportation. Its lightweight tubular steel chassis formed the strong foundation for an entirely new era of personal transportation. Powered by a single-cylinder gasoline engine, this revolutionary invention became the foundation of every modern automobile. Its innovative fuel and belt drive system transformed engine power into reliable motion with remarkable engineering simplicity. With its chain-driven rear axle, the Benz Patent-Motorwagen demonstrated a practical design that inspired generations of automotive innovation.
Unlike modern cars, the Patent-Motorwagen was guided by a simple steering tiller instead of a steering wheel.
Its carefully engineered suspension improved stability and helped the vehicle travel across the rough roads of the late 19th century. The two large rear wheels transferred the engine's power through a chain drive system, creating forward motion. Its unique three-wheel configuration made the Patent-Motorwagen one of the most recognizable vehicles in automotive history. With its seat and mechanical systems in place, the world's first practical automobile is nearly ready to make history.
Every mechanical system is now carefully completed, bringing Carl Benz's revolutionary invention closer to its historic first drive.
Before its first journey, every mechanism was inspected and adjusted with remarkable precision for reliable performance. A careful cleaning reveals the craftsmanship that made the Benz Patent-Motorwagen a true engineering masterpiece. Patented in 1886, this remarkable machine is widely recognized as the world's first practical automobile. From Carl Benz's workshop to the birth of the modern automobile, the Patent-Motorwagen began a journey that changed the world forever.